When we get the warning, the EZCAD will work only a demo version. Solution. Step 1. Connect the laser machine with your computer. Step 2. Turn on the laser machine and check the emergency button off working. Then we open EZCAD software to test it works well. When we get the warning, the EZCAD will not work. We need to remove other drivers in your computer, such like light burn. Solution. Right-click, Start, right-pointing arrow, choose Computer Management. Click Device Manager. Find USB LMCV2. Right-click and uninstall device, and remember to tick Attempt to remove the driver for this device. Plug out the USB cable or power off the laser machine. After a few seconds later, plug in the USB cable again or power on the machine. The device manager will refresh again and it may display Lightburn BJJCZ EZCAD 2 Loader. Right-click and uninstall device. Right-click on this PC, select Manage, open Device Manager. At this time, turn on the machine and connect the machine with the computer via USB. The Device Manager will refresh. Find USB LMCV2 or Unknown Device in Other Devices or Universal Serial Bus Devices. Right-click Update Driver, select Browse My Computer for drivers. Find the corresponding driver in the folder according to computer system. Click Install and Finish when it is successful. The Device Manager will refresh again and it will display BJJCZ device in Device Manager. Software tutorial for 110mm. Find the software EZCAD 2 and double-click the application to open. Zoom in or out on working area within the black frame by scrolling the mouse.